Major U.S. stocks look a little bit soft in pre-market trading. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's leading retail brokerage firm, offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The market for Apple looks a little bit soft in the early hours here on Monday, although nothing of note, just a little bit lower. At this point, it looks like Apple sees plenty of support near the $194 level and plenty of resistance near the $213 level. We had been trending lower for some time, so you do have to keep that in mind. But I think you've got a situation here where we are trying to build some type of base. If we can break back above the $213 level, it's likely that Apple will start to take off to the upside again. If we break down below the $194 level, then we may drop enough to test $180. Google looks like it is going to continue to be very choppy. It is going to open up near the 200-day EMA in a pullback from what had been a pretty explosive move to the upside. Because of this, the market is likely to continue to be one that you have to be cautious with, but it also looks like a buy on the dip scenario, at least as far as things are set up at the moment. The $177 level has offered a little bit of a resistance. It's at the scene of a former gap, but that gap has been ran through. So I think it's only slight resistance. If we can break above there, $187.50 is my target. And finally, Microsoft looks a little bit soft in the early hours as well, but one should keep in mind Microsoft has been moving straight up in the air since the earnings call, which was back on the 30th of April. So sooner or later, it does need to take a little bit of a break, and that's probably all we're seeing here. We may see a little bit of a pullback, but quite frankly, that pullback should end up being a buying opportunity. It really isn't until we drop down to the $423 level that we even approach the 50-day EMA. So a pullback could be somewhat big. We'll just have to wait and see. On the other hand, if we can clear the swing high at $468 above, that could open up further movement to the upside. But as things stand right now, I think you're looking for dips to buy into, probably a little bit more than they are offering in the pre-market. My name's Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.